friends, good morning. This is Tarun and you are watching Tarun the Vagabond. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are starting our day 3 trip from Raipur in Chhattisgarh, and we would be ending our journey at Odisha. So in between I will be showing you 2 waterfall which is most popular in these 2 states. So people from Odisha and both from Chhattisgarh, they visit this place. So one is known as the Chitrakoot waterfall and the other one is known as the Tirathgarh waterfall. We just got up in the morning little late because yesterday we were like driving long in the day, and we reached in Raipur around 3 a.m. in the morning. So hope you have seen my last video. So stay tuned and let's get some exciting views today. So guys, this is the highway from Raipur to Jagdalpur. You can see the lush green trees all around. The green vegetation is it's mesmerizing and it's so soothing to your eyes. I wanted to show you this because all the metro city people, they actually miss this kind of environment. So I just wanted to show you how the highway looks like. It's really beautiful to drive on this way. Bastar is 102 km from this place. You can see such a beautiful place, and it has a huge potential for tourism, but because of these kind of Maoist and terrorism, so people are scared coming to these places. Kal hum jo room liye the, so we reached around 3 a.m. in the morning, and we just took a room which was available nearby. So we took it outside Raipur city, just to ensure that when we are starting in the morning, we are not in a bad situation to move out. So that's the reason. But our experience was not that good. Garam pani nahi aa raha tha. Yeah, then he started drama. Then usko full पैसे चाहिए थे, 10 मतलब सिर्फ 4-5 घंटे के लिए उसको पूरे दिन का पैसे चाहिए थे. And then he started asking me for extra money for my mother and my kid. So it was not that pleasant staying there. And I thought let's not show you in this wonderful journey. Wow, look at this beautiful. So the highway in between the cliff. Wow, this is awesome. On the way we will also cross the Kaskol Ghat, which has some like typical hairpin clip twist. So I think that would be really amazing for you guys to experience. अरे इन लोगों ने पूरा कब्जा कर लिया है पूरे हाईवे को. ओके गाइस, हमें भी थोड़ा जगह दे दो. लेट्स गो. ओके, भेड़ बकरी, ये पूरा टिपिकल एकदम विलेज वाला फीलिंग आ रही है. You guys must be thinking, why such a long drive with family from Haryana to Odisha? So basically I'm from Odisha, and Jaipur is my born and brought up place. So I thought of traveling to this place because I wanted to drop my mom to meet my grandmother. So from the safety point of view, we came with our food stuffed, and then we just thought of just not touching, getting in contamination with people. So avoided going into hotels or into crowded places. And also flight is although safe, but I wanted my family to travel together because my kid and my wife, they also wanted to visit. That's the reason I thought of just coming out to this trip, and along with me I wanted to take you guys for this wonderful trip so that I can capture all these moments and also share it with you. hills. So we are just riding up the hill. So it is called the Kaskol Ghat. You can see the roads. These are all paths. I have decided not to return from this route. So we will take a separate route while returning from Odisha to Gurgaon. बहुत ही खतरनाक रोड है ये. धूल मिट्टी. You can see the monkey. Oh, bunches of monkeys. Okay, guys, you can see the monkey. Wow. Enjoy, guys. ये देख लीजिए कितने सारे monkeys हैं. सारे बैठे हुए हैं. बेबी हट जाओ, गाड़ी के नीचे आ जाओगे. हटो हटो. गुड बॉय. अरे ये मम्मा अपने बेबी को लेके ट्रेनिंग दे रही है कि देख लो गाड़ियाँ आती है ऐसे, सावधानी. कैसे काट रहा है बंदा बिना हेलमेट के. होप यू गाइस आर एंजॉयिंग दिस ट्रिप. देख लीजिए बहुत बढ़िया रोड है एकदम. इतना ग्रीन और इतना ये ब्यूटीफुल. ये थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी पार्ट है. चढ़ जाओ चढ़ जाओ चढ़ जाओ. यस. वैसे ट्रक्स को ज़्यादा परेशानी होती है बिकॉज ऑफ देयर लॉन्ग व्हीकल साइज एंड इतना शार्प टर्न विद अ स्टीप. कैसे ट्रक कितना लोडेड है. आगे चलते हैं. और ये रोड सिंगल रोड होता है तो अगर बाई चांस टचवुड अगर कुछ खराबी आ गया किसी गाड़ी में तो मतलब देन रोड एकदम ब्लॉक हो जाता है. You have to stand there until a support comes and help them. ये देखिए अच्छा सा टर्न है. सारे फर्स्ट गियर में ही चढ़ेंगे. Look at this road. ऐसे रोड पे भी रोड ठीक नहीं है. मतलब ट्रक चढ़ना भी चाहे तो भी चढ़ ना पाए, ऐसे बना के रखे हैं इन लोगों ने. चलिए हम अपना एसी बंद कर देते हैं एंड विंडोज़ खोल देते हैं. चढ़ो 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 भैया चढ़ लो. हम भी चढ़ जाते हैं. यस. Good. This is good. Okay. भगवान जी का मंदिर है. भगवान सबका मंगल करना और हमारी यात्रा सफल करना. रुक नहीं पाते हैं अभी क्योंकि हमें जाना है थोड़ा सा दूर. और एक हेयरपिन टर्न है.
मोड नंबर 6.
ओके मोड नंबर 6. ओके हर मोड पे ये नंबरिंग करा हुआ है. ओके सो जो बड़ी गाड़ी होती है द बिगर व्हीकल दे टेक ए बिगर टर्न सो दैट दे गो टू द राइट एक्सट्रीम राइट एंड देन दे टेक द टर्न एंड द व्हीकल कमिंग डाउन सो दे आर ऑन द राइट व्हाइल कमिंग डाउन. तो यहाँ पे वो लेफ़्ट वाला सिस्टम काम नहीं करता बिकॉज ज़्यादा बड़ा सर्कल चाहिए बड़े गाड़ी के लिए. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. आराम से अपना टर्न लेना चाहिए. ये देखिए इस गाड़ी को। एकदम टॉप पे आ गए। नाउ वी आर जस्ट राइडिंग डाउन हिल ऑन द अदर साइड। फ्रेंड्स, वी आर गोइंग टू चित्रकूट waterfall, which is around 27, right? 27 kilometer on the way. It's a diversion inside when you are taking the route from Raipur to Jagdalpur. It is on the right side, so you have to move inside the jungle like 27 kilometer, right? So you can see the view. Now the time is 3 p.m. in the evening. Let's try to go quickly, and then after this we have to go to Tiratgarh waterfall. So you have many local villages here. I don't know what this river is called, but it looks huge. I think over that bridge only, I think it's going towards the right. Yes, right. We are going over that bridge. Okay. Now we can see. Okay, there is a river. Okay, this is Munda Gaon. Okay, right. Munda Gaon. Local market called Hato or Hart. आज सिर्फ हम ही जा रहे हैं, लग रहा है। कोई बात नहीं, आज का दिन हमारा ही है। सही बोली मेरी वाइफ कि आज का दिन हमारा है।
A few moments later.
Hello friends, so we have reached to Chitrakoot waterfall, and as you enter you can see a big Shiv temple, right? यहाँ पे देखिए बड़ा सा शिवलिंग है। ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। Now we are going towards the waterfall, the magnificent waterfall. So भगवान का दर्शन करवा देते हैं आप।
सर फोटो खिंचवाएंगे।
Wow, this is awesome. Okay. आइए पहले फॉल की तरफ लेके जाते हैं आपको। So this is your Chitrakoot waterfall. My goodness, देखिए, wow, oh my god, look at this view, man. You can see the rainbow. Do you see the rainbow? This entire waterfall, actually looks magnificent when you are coming in the monsoon season. This entire area is completely flooded, so you cannot see these rocks. And look at this waterfall. Oh my god, wow. This is called the Niagara Fall of India. You can see the rainbow forming, right? It is also horseshoe shaped, and it is a huge structure. So I'm not giving you the details about the length, breadth, so you can very well Google and look at it. I'm just concentrating to show you and capture you the views. Okay, let's go to the other side. You have to be very careful because the stones are very sharp. These are water cut sharp stones. Okay, let me take you to the front of the waterfall. Oh my goodness, wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. See, people are going to that point. Oh, I can feel the water droplets. Wow. But it's huge. It's huge. My goodness. Wow, wow, wow. That's really awesome. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Hope this trip is successful. And after this, I am going to show you one more waterfall, which is called the Tirath. Right, you can see. So you can also see people. Some boats are there. Some boat services are also there. So if you want to go just up to the waterfall, they will take you with some charges. But if you look at those boats, there are some boats there, right? So these boats are organized by the government of Chhattisgarh. So you have to go down there. Some people, I think, are going into the boat. So I'm not sure we will stay so long because it's already 3:30 p.m. in the evening, right? Okay, thank you guys.